Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about water pollution. If this water was polluted, I wouldn't be able to do this. I think it's a serious issue, and we as a planet need to work to improve the conditions of water, because it's one of the most vital pieces to life in the universe, so we should cherish it. Now, there are basically two ways to pollute water, directly and indirectly. Direct pollution is when pollution materials are discharged directly into the water, and indirect pollution is when pollution materials find their way into water. So as you can see, it rained out here like a few hours ago. This rain could have been polluted if it got mixed with certain chemical substances in the air. So for example, if industrial work is going on in Madison, then the rainwater could have mixed with those fossil fuels, creating acidic rain, and we've already learned about all that in science, so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so bye. Now there are four types of water pollution. So there's chemical pollution, which is things like herbicides, pesticides, and industrial compounds. They're basically chemicals that do not occur naturally in water. Another type is organic pollution, which are things like manure and sewage, and when large amounts of them enter the water, they can really hurt it. The third type is heat pollution. This is basically when water is used as a coolant for industrial purposes. And then the final type of water pollution is natural, so like if an earthquake, volcanic eruption, or landslide occurs, then this can cause pollution to the water as well. Natural pollution is of course not humans' fault since they occur naturally. However, the other three are our fault, and they cause major problems for many people as well as animals. People living in underdeveloped countries struggle to find clean water on a daily basis. Thankfully, we are working on developing methods for getting clean water, and this problem will hopefully be removed in the coming years. However, animals have bigger issues. In a human-run planet, animals have little, I say little, it's really no control on what happens. For animals in water, if waste is disposed of improperly, it can destroy entire ecosystems. As for land animals, not only can their drinking water be hurt, but if their food source in the water is killed, they themselves may die out from lack of food. The bottom line is, humans are to blame for all of this. We have to fix what we do. Now thankfully, there are things we can do in our everyday life to preserve clean water. For example, we can make sure we turn off the water when we brush our teeth, we can try to take shorter showers, and try to reuse our water. So for example, if you're cleaning dishes in the sink, you can scoop out the water with a bucket and, say, water the flowers on the porch with that instead of using your hose. It's definitely less convenient, but it could save the planet one day. In conclusion, I think it would be a very manageable task to preserve our water. All you have to do is volunteer in any way you can. Thanks for watching.
Boy, if you don't get...
So that was fun. I just gotta ring all this out. I'm good at school projects. Okay, I just ran out of time, so I'm just gonna rap while I roll credits.
Nope.
I'll do it in a later video, I just don't feel like doing it now.